Hi guys, Tony here with the new lesson. Welcome back. I'm glad to have you here. Today we're going to be looking at 5 of my favourite acoustic blues licks. And we're going to be doing this over a 12-bar blues shuffle so that you know when to play these licks, when's the best time to bash them out. So this is great if you're playing over a backing track, or if you're playing with someone else who's playing a 12-bar blues, or if you're just playing a shuffle and you're looking for some licks to play in between. So let's waste no more time and let's start with lick number 1. So lick number 1 goes like this. So it's great to play just before getting into a shuffle. Alright, so what we're doing here is we're just climbing into a B7 chord, which is great to play just before you start, alright? Alright, it's a good little intro. So the lick goes like this. Alright, we start on the D string. 0, 1, 2, 0. Then we come up to the A string. 3, 2, 0. Alright, now you want to try and make sure you're using the right fingers as well. Your index and your middle for the first and second frets. So 0, 1, 2, 0. Then on the A string, 3, 2, 0. Then 3 on the low E. Okay. And then I'm going to take my first finger and slide from 1 to 2 on the A. And then I'm going to get the open E. Okay, so again, nice and slow. And then I'm going to climb in to a B7. 0, 1, 2, B7. Okay. Okay, and that's lick number 1. Lick number 2 is going to be done when we are in the E part of our shuffle, alright? Alright, so what we're doing here is we are sliding with our middle finger from the G from 2 to 4. And then I'm getting my index finger on 3 on the B. And then I'm sliding with my middle finger back to 2. Then open. Then 2 on the D. And then a quick hammer on 1 on the G. Alright, so again in the context. Dun, 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 dun. And then, after a little gap, 2 on the D. I'm just barring these 2 strings. 2 on the D, then 2 on the G. Back to 2 on the D. And then hammer on again on 1 on the G. So if you're playing it together with the shuffle, it would sound like this. Like that. So lick number 3 can be done over the A part, or the 4 chord. So when we go from the A, we can do that. Alright, this is a cool Eric Clapton. I've seen Gary Clark Jr. Bash out this lick as well. So let's just break that down. So I'm sliding with my middle finger to 6 in the G, 5 in the B, and then I'm climbing 7, 6, 5 in the high E, and then I'm getting my third finger on the B. I'm giving that a little bluesy nudge, and that's on the sort of the 8th fret in the B. All right, so 6, 5, 7, 6, 5, 8 in the B, a little bluesy nudge. Back to 5 in the high E. then back to the 8 in the B, 5 in the B, 7 on the D, and again I'm kind of bending that up a little bit. All right. So nice and slow. Okay, so I like to play that once. You can just play the same thing again, but the second time I like to play it a little bit different. Right, so again I'm using 6 on the G, 5 on the B, 7, 6, 5 on the high E, so the first part's the same. And then I'm gonna bend that A up twice on the B, and then back to 5. Okay, so alright, like number 4 goes like this. Alright, so this is done over the last 4 bars. Okay, so we're climbing into that turnaround, but we've got a B7, A7, and then I'll turn around it. Alright, so we're basically taking lick number 3 and doing it in the B position. So exactly the same thing, except moved up 2 frets. Alright, so you get 8 on the G, 7 on the B, and this time it's 9, 8, 7 on the high E, bending the 10 to the B up, 7, 10, 7 on the B, bend that 9 up a little bit, back to 5, alright? So climbing into the A chord, alright, I'm just hammering on from 5 to 6 in the G, 5, 5 in the B and the A, 7, 6 on the high E, then hammer on pull off on the high E from 5 to 6, then 8 in the B, back to 5. So nice and slow, the whole thing goes like this. And then you climb into your turnaround. And you can do anything here. Alright, and then climb into your B7. Alright, so that brings me on to our final and 5th lick, which can be done. Instead of playing that turnaround, we can do this. Back into our shuffle again, or we can just finish it off. So this is just climbing up that open E blues scale, and what I'm doing here, I'm raking into that high E on the 3rd fret, then open, and then 3 on the B, and then the high E again, and then the B and the E open. And then from 2 to 3 and back to 2 again on the G, open, and then 2 on the D, and then 2, 0 on the D, 2 on the A, then 0, hammer on 1 on the A, 3 on the low E, and then open. And that's us, guys. I hope you enjoyed those licks. Let me know what your favourite one was in the comments. I will see you soon with a new lesson.